The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now viewers and subscribers, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and this video has something to do with the N-word. You see me? The N-word. You see me? I'm not going to really try and say that word, you know, but I hope you understand what I'm saying when I say the N-word. I'm talking about that N-word that many persons who are African descendants at sometimes might take it as a disrespect when a person who is not an African descendant call them that N-word. You see me? Now, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and this video is going to show when a husband and a wife argued with a female because the female called the husband the N-word. Now viewers and subscribers, you know, there is more that I'm going to say about this video, you know, and this video is out on social media and it's being talked about on social media. See me? Now I'm going to talk more about this video, but I'm going to show you the video right about now. But before I show you this video, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Hey, make sure you don't put your hands on my husband. Make sure you don't put your hands on my husband. Make sure you don't put your hands on my husband.
I'm white.
What does white have to do with it?
Roll out. I'm not.
Roll out.
What does you being white have to do with it?
Call the police, bro. I don't give a fuck about none of that. Get up out of here.
What does you being white have to do with any of it? I just want to know that. That's what I want to know. What does you being white have to do with any of it?
I'm tired of disrespectful shit from you.
No, it's because earlier you said something about get this for me, nigga. And you don't talk to a black man like that, for real.
Nigga, what?
Yeah, you don't say that.
I don't see nigga being nothing wrong with
Okay.
white. I'll give you $100.
To him, it has a problem. And you giving him $100 has nothing to do with it. You can't give a black man $100 just for you to say the word nigga. He doesn't want you to say that to him. So him as a man, respect that. That's my husband, and you walking up on him.
Okay.
You walking up on him would have got your ass knocked the fuck out.
Okay.
So all he was saying was, don't be disrespectful. You went to your car and said, fuck you, fuck that, fuck that. So he said, make this the last time you come up here. You don't got to get out of your car and run up to him and say, I'm white. I'm white. You being white ain't got shit to do with nothing.
So now go
bye. Go get in your car and drive. Do whatever you want to do.
Please leave. It's either leave or I'm gonna call the police.
My son is
Man,
black.
leave.
It doesn't matter.
Man, leave.
That doesn't matter. But you coming up here trying to pull your white privilege, saying I'm white, I'm white, has nothing to do with it.
Coronavirus going on.
Yeah, stupid motherfuckers. Yeah, yeah, you're the one that started it. You're the one that started it. I'm white. I don't give a fuck if you're white, bitch. My mom is white, and you being white has nothing to do with it. Yeah, let him be a nigger. I bet you won't get out your car. Get out your car and call him a nigger. Get out his car, you white trash bitch. You white trash bitch. Get out your car and call him a nigger. Get out your car and call us a nigger. Get out your car and call us a nigger. Get out your car and call us a nigger. Get out your car. No, get your white ass out your car and call me a nigger to my face. Get your white ass out your car and call me a nigger to my face.
Come on.
Call me a nigger to my face. Call me a nigger to my face. Not in your car driving away, bitch. No, get out your car. Get out your car. That's what I thought, bitch. You white trash, bitch. You got this black girl fucked up.
Viewers, subscribers, you see this N-word, I know that a lot of persons out there find this N-word to be highly disrespectful. You know, a lot of persons out there take this N-word seriously. You understand? And you know, when it comes down to the N-word, I can understand why persons out there might find it to be disrespectful. But at the same time, the viewers and subscribers, you know, some of the times we have to try and live above the N-word. You understand? See me? Yeah. Let me say this. You see me? And when me say try to live above the N-word, you see me I say? I mean it in this way. So let's say that I'm out there somewhere in the world, right? I'm out there and someone decides to call me the N-word. And if I feel disrespected by the N-word, right? Most likely, I am going to ignore the person. See me? I might walk past that person in a way where other persons might even look and say, but wait, this youth have a hearing problem. Maybe this youth don't hear what the person said. I wonder if this youth is handicapped. I wonder if he have a hearing disability or something. It's not that I have a hearing problem or something. It's the fact that I'm trying to live above the N-word. You see me? Yes, I might hear what the person said, but most likely I'm not going to escalate this whole thing. I'm not going to start an argument. I'm not going to try and be like, oh, argue now. Me, I walk past you. You see me? I am better than that. You understand? So that me mean when me say live above the N-word, live above it. You see me I say? You live above it to a point where persons are going to look at it and say, but wait, this youth, you know, are these persons don't take offense by this word anymore. You understand? We have to just try and live above this N-word. You know what I mean? I mean, you know, a lot of times, a lot of us who are African descendants allow this N-word to get the best of us and put ourselves into problem, you know, put ourselves into trouble with the law. You understand? Because some of the times, because of this N-word, you know, it starts off in an argument and then it escalates to a fight and then it ends badly. You see me? So some of the times we have to learn to live above this N-word. You see me? Just walk away. Just walk away. Yes, I understand. It might hurt your feelings, but think of the big picture. Instead of escalating this whole thing, just walk away. You see? Now, I hear the female said something in the video where she said that, like she said, it might not be word for word as to how she had said it, but according to how I understand the things that she said. Now, there's a part of the video when she says something like this. Like she said, her son is black. I can understand what she's trying to say, but at the same time, you have persons out there that don't really appreciate that N-word. I know that a lot of persons out there might disagree with some of the things that I'm saying, the viewers and subscribers, but you know, I'm just giving the best advice I know. You understand? Because, you know, I just want the best for each and everyone out there. But, you know, anyways, I'm going to leave it right here. You see me? The main thing that I'm trying to say is that live above the N-word. You see me? And when I say live above the N-word, you know, I'm not only saying this for persons who are said to be African descendants. No, I'm saying this for each and everyone out there. You see me? I mean, live above the N-word can also be used for racism right throughout the world. You understand me? You understand? It's just to let persons understand that it doesn't matter where you're from. Racism thing is just not a good thing. Anyways, viewers and subscribers, here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. Yes, eat.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.